Okay, group, on our 6.2 practice letter D, we're working on finding side FE, so we're going to label that as X. Okay, and we're going to use our angle here to help us solve. So if you look at 40 degrees, X is straight across from that, so that is the opposite side. 55 is across from the 90-degree angle, so that is our hypotenuse. So we're working with opposite and a hypotenuse. So if I grab my cheat sheet here, opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So I'm going to do the sine of 40 degrees equals opposite, which is X, over hypotenuse, which is 55. Okay, and to solve for X, I would multiply both sides by 55. And then in my calculator, I'm going to do this side. So I'm going to do 55 times the sine of 40, and that gives me 35, we'll say 0.4. And this is measured in yards. Okay, letter E, we're looking for QR. Label that X. Our angle here is 35. Opposite of that is X. Hypotenuse is 73. So again, we're working with the sine. So the sine of 35 is opposite X over hypotenuse 73. Multiply both sides by 73. So if you put that in your calculator, we end up with 41, and we round that to 0.9, 41.9. And that measurement is in yards as well. Okay, our last one, we're looking for BC. We'll label that X. So using our 45-degree angle, opposite over here is 29. Oops, that was mislabeled. X is our adjacent side. Over here is the hypotenuse. So since we have these two sides, we're looking for X, and we have 29. Opposite over adjacent is tangent. So doing tangent of 45 equals opposite. Oops. Woo. Instead of opposite, we're going to write 29 because that's the actual measurement. And then over here is X. Multiply both sides by X. And then divide by your tangent of 45. If you put that in your calculator, you end up with 29. And that label is inches.